Battle of the Mountains, yeah. So once again, whānau, thank you. This is a way that they can show you all of the awesome leading they've been doing the last term, and big mihi to the kaiako. I know it's been a hard mahi, hard term, whai Nicole, whai Caroline, whai Jess, whai Rachel, and all our wonderful kaiawhina. We thank you, heaps, and I'm sure they thank you. They won't show it to you in colourful ways, but they do love you. But thank you, whānau, for coming, and we'll kick it off.
Tēnā koutou katoa. So as Vaughn Charlene said, we've based a lot of our Wirral arts themes on the Battle of the Mountains. So I'm just going to go over that story for those of you who may not know it. A long, long time ago in the centre of Te Ika, Māori, there were a group of mountains. There were the Warrior Mountains, Tongariro, Taranaki, Tauhara and Putawaki, and our beautiful Pihanga. All of the Warrior Mountains were in love with the beautiful Pihanga. Their chief, Tongariro, scowled at the other mountains, and soon there was trouble brewing. There was a mighty battle. The Warrior Mountains fought Tongariro, but the mighty Tongariro triumphed and stayed by Pihanga's side. Taranaki stole back to the west, making the whānui awa with his tears. Putawaki went to the east. Tauhara only got as far as the other side of Taupunuatia. To this day, Tongariro and Pihanga stand looking lovingly at one another forevermore.